Hello, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Head over to my channel and check some of my other projects and ideas. In this project we are going to be restoring an old service card, and bringing it back to service. Remove parts as much as possible, this will make it easier to work on it, and to get better results. Using a square, I will be marking a line flush with the bottom tray. I will be cutting the excess brackets and replacing the wheels. These wheels are old and hard to find. Place the new wheels in place and grind the area to be welded. Place the caster wheels back again and start welding. Always use proper protection when welding, flying sparks are really painful. I will be welding all the upright brackets to top and bottom trays. I decided not to use bolts. I previously sanded down with 220 grit sandpaper. I will give it a second pass with 320 grit. Apply 2 to 3 coats of primer, let it dry, and water sand with 320 grit sandpaper. I will be using Rust-Oleum spray can. You can get this at Home Depot. Apply one light coat, wait 10 minutes before applying the second coat. About 3 to 5 minutes after applying the second coat, apply the third and last coat, to leave a shiny finish. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.